What's going on, traders? Welcome to Investing Trends, where we talk about the latest news and trades on trending stocks. I got some exciting news today. I love it when this happens. So ARK Invest bought a brand spanking new position 2 days ago on Monday, February the 1st. And this is a company that I saw much promise last November in 2020. So the big reveal is that ARK Invest bought DraftKings for the first time this week, the online sports betting company DraftKings. And ARK didn't just dip their toe into it, but they bought a big chunk, $34 million worth of DraftKings to be exact, with 620,000 shares. Plus, they continued to buy more shares the next day on Tuesday, buying 14,000 shares more. I just love it when this happens, as Cathie Wood buying this stock is huge catalyst to the stock price, and I am already in the stock. I bought it last November when it was trading around $50 per share. I am now up more than 20% on this trade, and things are looking even more promising with a major institution buying up shares. And it's not that surprising to me that they bought DraftKings. Similar to why I follow ARK Invest and bought Skills, they have very similar business models and the online gaming industry is just booming. I also told you guys that I'm buying Skills stock earlier this year on January the 6th when the stock was trading around $23 per share. Skills just broke the $30 price level and closed at $31 per share today. And I am up over 40% so far and climbing. So if you don't want to miss out on these sweet opportunities, like and subscribe, making sure that you turn on the bell icon. If you don't know what DraftKings is, I suggest that you click on the suggested link above to get a comprehensive view of the business and why I initially liked the stock. So in this video, I'm going to go through some recent news on DraftKings along with my strategy, my thoughts on how to trade DraftKings if I don't own it already. So besides the big news that ARK Invest bought into DraftKings, the research firm Benchmark also raised its price target to $66 per share from $60. And I feel that $66 price target is still very low, and my expectation still stands at $100 per share, where I would take a 50% partial profit. That will give me a 100% profit from my initial investment and will basically be playing DraftKings with house money. And house money, for those who don't know, is basically playing and investing into DraftKings with the money that I've earned. So I came across this article that does a very good job of summarizing what has happened recently with DraftKings. So here we see that DraftKings benefited from the expansion of legal gambling, where after the last election cycle, 21 US jurisdictions now have made it legal to wager on sports betting. And most recently, New York announced on January the 5th that they will open the doors to legalize sports betting. Now, New York has been having a tough time economically and financially due to the COVID crisis, where stores and restaurants are closed and basically no tourism. That is why the state is not making money, low in funding, and not doing well financially, so legalizing sports betting can be a very big money generator for the state. Plus, DraftKings also launched operations in its 12th state on January 24th in Virginia. And its Q4 earnings report is coming up on February the 26th. I may think about buying some short-dated call options here. I mean, it's an earnings play, so pretty risky, but there's some good potential here. Again, options are for those who have a bit more experience, and the trade fluctuates a lot, so please be careful for newcomers. Also, keep an eye out for Super Bowl ads, as DraftKings will air 2 commercials during the Super Bowl on Sunday the 7th. Can you believe that each of these 30-second commercials costs $5.6 million? Crazy that $11 million is out the door for 1 minute of commercial on TV. And as I mentioned on my last video, DraftKings partnered up with several pro teams, media giants such as Disney's ESPN, and NBA legend Michael Jordan as he joined the company's board of directors. I think it's good to re-emphasize this, as these are major accomplishments of the company. Let's check out the stock performance as I share with you my thoughts about actionable strategy on DraftKings. You will hear me constantly say what I would do, or what I did on this channel, as this channel is not for financial advice and you need to make your own investment decisions. So looking at the 1 week chart, the stock is up over 10%. 10% is pretty solid. 1 month is up 30%. 3 months is up 65%. This is where it gets really crazy. The 1 year is a whopping 300%, and nothing to see for the 5-year chart. So I am already in the stock. It's already in my holdings, one of my positions. And my price target is $100 per share, as I stated earlier. But what would I do if I didn't have the stock? If I just saw this, then of course I will buy the stock. The stock is up a good amount, a good percentage, but ARK just bought it too. If you think $60 per share is high, just remember that ARK also bought it around this price level. Plus, as I said on my video published in November, it is a balance of probability and expected return. Of course, it would be great to buy the stock at $30 or $40, much lower than what it is right now, where the gain will be much higher with a price target of $100. I can wait around for the price to go back down to these levels, but I can't go back in time. But what I want to emphasize is that there's still meat on the bone where I can expect to gain $40 per share if it goes from today to $100 price target. Sure, it is not a gain of 50 points, 60 points, but 40 points. The difference of my $100 price target and the current price of $60 is still good money. That is why I still like the stock and I am holding it. As I know that a lot of you are very curious to see what new position ARK has got into, I hope this was helpful for your long-term investing and hopes to reach financial freedom. Please invest safely, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. I thank you, appreciate you, and see you next time.